And who do you play in the Clumsy Duckling?
Henrietta Cluck.
And who is Henrietta?
She is a loving songbird who ends up falling in love with Calvin, the Clumsy Duckling.
I am actually the Clumsy Duckling himself, Calvin.
We gotta get the shoes here. Great. You're a duck.
Speedy the turtle.
Awesome. Take a look at that. He is Speedy. Let's see the shell, Alice. Give us some shell here. There's the shell. See?
I am Tiny Turkey.
Okay. And could you maybe tell me the story of the Clumsy Duckling?
Well, it's about a duckling who tries to dance like his mother and sisters, because his mother is a very famous dancer, and now she's training her two daughters, Olivia and Sophia, and Calvin.
And so he tries to go on a journey to find somewhere to fit in.
And he heads to this place called the Barnyard Stomp.
And then he finally made it to the Barnyard Stomp. And we had some Henrietta Cluck, she was singing, and then after her song, we did Shake, Shake Your Tail Feather.
His mom finally catches him there, and he gets mad. And then Franklin the Fox, which wants to kill them all, finally finds him and locks him up.
The fox put Mother Duck in a pot, throwing food inside the pot ready to cook her. And then when Calvin comes out, he tries to fight the fox to try to get his mother out of the pot, and then he gets knocked down.
Him saving the day.
Awesome. And just give me a come see the Clumsy Duckling.
Come see the Clumsy Duckling.
Come see the Clumsy Duckling! Come see the Clumsy Duckling. It's great!
So come see the Clumsy Duckling!
Oh, you got me. Well, you should come see the Clumsy Duckling because I'm Speedy the turtle.